how to connect custom domain to Odoo. First, click on your profile icon in the top right, then go into My Databases. From here, you want to find your website. I'm just going to click on Connect and choose Website. Now, once you have selected website, you will need to click on Configuration at the top and then choose Domain Name. Once you have clicked on Domain Name, then select My Website is ready. And it is going to give you the option to use your own domain. So we are just going to choose that. Now here it is going to ask for your domain. I will use a Hostinger domain for this tutorial. So I'm just going to copy my domain name like so. And I'll go back and paste my domain, and you want to click on verify. Now it's going to tell you that it's not a valid domain because you need to write www. And it's going to tell you that there is no C record found. So how can we add a C record? So the first thing that we want to do is go back to our domain provider, and we will just click on manage, like I said, then go to DNS/name servers, and we will need to add a record for the name server. So it's going to be a CNAME record. The target is going to be www, or the name here. So www. And the target is going to be our current Odoo domain. So we're just going to copy it and paste it, and we will add this record. Now, once you have added this record, it is going to take a few minutes in order for it to detect it. So I just did it like 3 minutes ago and it worked. So here, after you have done this, I'm just going to pause and come back in a second here. So give me some time. Website, configuration, domain name. My website's ready. Here's my own domain. And like I said, so I'm just going to use this one and verify it. And as you can see, DNS configuration seems good. I confirm that it's done, and your project is going to set up. The domain setup will take a few minutes. Go back to website, and just like that, we have successfully connected our website to the new domain. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.